If you're thinking about starting a business in the United States, one of the first and most important steps is forming an LLC, which will help protect your personal assets, gives your business credibility, and can provide tax advantages. In today's video, we are going to show you how to form an LLC using Swyft Filings even if you are a complete beginner. But before we get started, if you want to follow along or start forming your LLC right away, make sure to use our affiliate link in the video description because using that link helps support the channel and may also give you access to special offers. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is go to the official website, which is swiftfilings.com. From here, you have three options. Number one is you can simply click the Get Started at the top right corner at the center of the page, or click the Start button here, which will give you multiple options. And of course, what we are after is the LLC formation. I want you to click on it. Now, what will happen is you will be forwarded here. All I have to do is super simple. I want you to click the Start My LLC, the blue button. If you do, we will move on to the next step, which is we will tell the platform about our business. Don't worry, this part is very simple because we just have to provide the basic information. Number one is selecting your entity type. And of course, we are choosing LLC. But of course, Swyft Filings also offer C Corporation, S Corporation, or even nonprofit. For now, we're choosing LLC. And of course, you need to select the state where you want to form your LLC. Now, this part is crucial because different state has different requirements and the pricing plans will vary from the state that you choose. But for now, I'm going to choose the first one, which is going to be Alabama. And you will be asked for the name of your business. Now, make sure the name is unique and follows your state's naming requirements. The platform will usually check if the name is available before continuing. Once you've filled in these details, you can now move on to the next step of the formation process. And remember, if you want to follow along with this tutorial, make sure to use our affiliate link in the video description. Click the Continue button. Now it's time to select the package that fits your business needs and of course your budget. You will see three options. Number one is Basic, the Standard, and the Premium. Now let's quickly go over what each one offers so you can decide which one is right for you. Obviously, the Basic package here costs $0 plus state fees. This option is perfect for self-starters who just need the essentials, and with this, the service will handle the paperwork for your LLC. And you can customize the additional features later if needed. Processing usually takes about 7 to 10 days, and the standard package, which normally costs around $199, but is currently discounted to $169 plus state fees. Now, this package is ideal for entrepreneurs who want more tools to save time and launch their business faster. With the standard plan, your LLC can be processed in as little as within the 3 business days. And of course, you'll get everything here. All right? For example, EIN registration, which allows you to open a business bank account, hire employees, and start operating legally. And of course, compliance monitoring, which helps you stay on top of state deadlines and avoid penalties. And a professional operating agreement, which helps protect your business, especially if there are multiple owners involved. Now, the last one is going to be the Premium package, which comes around $299, but currently it's on discount around $269 plus state fees. This option is best for busy founders who want everything handled for them with the fastest turnaround time. Because with the Premium, your LLC can be processed in just 1 business days. Imagine that. And you'll get everything included in the standard package plus even more value. So depending on your needs, you can start with the basic options, choose standard for extra tools, or go premium with the fastest and most complete service. For example, we're going to choose the basic for now. Click the continue with basic. Once you have chosen the package that works for you, you need to enter the basic contact details of the person who will be responsible for managing communication regarding the business formation. Usually, this is going to be the business owner, which is you, or the main representative. So start by entering the first and last name, and of course, you need to provide a valid email address. Make sure the email address you use is active because this is where Swyft Filings will send important details, updates, notifications, and documents related to your LLC. And of course, you need to enter your phone number so that the Swyft team can reach you if they need additional information about your application. And at the bottom, you will see an option that says you consent to receive SMS, text messages, and phone calls from Swyft. Because if you agree, simply check the box. This allows Swyft to send you updates and contact you regarding your LLC formation. And once all the information is filled out correctly, all I have to do is click the next button. Now here, the platform will ask you what your business does so it can assign the correct business category to your LLC. So you will see some sections on the screen and you can choose from any of the following options. All right? This step helps make your LLC registered under the correct industry classification, which is important for legal and tax purposes. So if you already know your category, you can simply select the option that best matches your business activity. But don't worry if you're not sure which category to choose, all right? Because Swyft Filings makes the process easy. You can simply describe what your business does in your own words. For example, since our channel focuses on YouTube tutorials about legal formation services, you could describe your business as something like maybe a YouTube tutorial channel. And click the continue button. Okay, so before you finalize your LLC formation, let's make sure your business is set up for the long-term success. Number one is the compliance. Every state requires your LLC to have a registered agent because they are responsible for receiving important legal and tax documents on behalf of your business. Having a reliable registered agent ensures you never miss any critical notices from the state. And of course, the essential documents. Okay, so there are two key documents every LLC should have one. Number one is going to be the EIN and an operating agreement. Basically, an EIN or an employer identification number is used for taxes and usually required when opening a business bank account. Meanwhile, the operating agreement outlines how your LLC agreement will be managed and helps keep your business records organized. And finally, the processing speed. Depending on how quickly you want your LLC formed, you can choose between standard, express, or same-day filing. Standard filing is the most affordable option, while express or same-day filing is perfect if you need your business set up as quickly as possible. So taking care of these steps helps ensure your LLC is fully compliant and ready to operate smoothly from day one. And once you are ready, click the continue button. Now at this step, you'll need to choose a registered agent for your LLC because again, every state requires a registered agent to receive the official government and legal notices on behalf of your business. So if you miss any important notice, it could lead to penalties, fines, or even losing your company's good standing with the state. This is where Swyft Filings can help. When you select the Swyft Filings as your registered agent, they will receive and forward all important legal documents directly to you. So they also protect your privacy by keeping your personal address off public records and make sure you stay compliant with the state requirements. Everything is managed your secure online portal and you'll always have access to their documents whenever you need them. But if you don't want, it's okay. All right, if you want to appoint a different registered agent like your family or a friend, it's up to you. All right, but we highly suggest you choose the first option. And with that, click the continue button again. Now that your company formation is almost complete, the next important step is getting your EIN or employer identification number. Basically, it's like a social security number for your LLC. You need an EIN to open a business bank account, hire employees, file taxes, and it would just take a few minutes. But what we highly suggest is to let Swyft Filings handle your EIN application. This is the easiest option because they'll prepare and submit the paperwork to the IRS on your behalf, helping you avoid errors and saving you time. Alright? But again, if you prefer to file it yourself, you just have to go to the website which we have shown earlier. And from here, all I have to do is click the continue button. At this stage, you will be asked if you want to add an operating agreement to your LLC formation. Now, this document is extremely important because your LLC isn't truly protected until you have an operating agreement in place. Because an operating agreement outlines who owns the company, how the business will be managed, and what each member's responsibilities are. So it also helps protect your personal assets if legal or financial issues arise. Now, from here, this is where again Swyft Filing comes in. If you want to let Swyft Filings do all of the paperwork for you, okay, just click the continue button. However, if you want to prefer creating or handling the document yourself later, you can choose the second option. But of course, we highly suggest you choose the first option. From here, just click the continue button and see that we are almost done. Here, we need to select the filing speed options so you can pick what works best for you. We have the standard filing, which is the default option, and it's totally free. Your paperwork is going to be processed within 7 to 10 business days. So if you're not in a rush, this is a solid choice. You can sit back and let the process take its course. Next, we have the express filing for $50. This option speeds things up, processing your LLC paperwork in about 3 business days. So if you want to get your business off the ground quicker, this is a great middle ground option. And for those who need it right now, there is the same day filing for $100. Your LLC can be launched on the very same day you submit your paperwork, which is perfect for entrepreneurs who are ready to hit the ground running. But for now, if you are not in a rush, just choose the first option so you can save money, and especially if you're on a tight budget. Click the continue button and see what's going to be the next step. You will be forwarded to the last step of creating your LLC, which is going to be the payment section. Okay? Now, here, take your time to review your order because Swyft Filings makes it really simple. You can see your selected package, the services included, and the total cost up front, so there are no surprises. And once everything is correct, all I have to do is click the continue to check out. And finally, it's time to check out your LLC official using Swyft Filings. Now, this is going to be the last step to bring your business to life. But before you complete your payment, here's what you need to know. Swyft Filings offer a 100% accuracy guarantee. That means your business filing will be done quickly and affordably, and if for any reason you're not satisfied, just let them know before your payment and state filing are processed, and you will receive a full refund, no questions asked. And here, all I have to do is select your preferred payment method and the total cost. Alright? Once you are ready, click the Pay and Agree to finalize your LLC formation, and by doing so, you also agree to Swyft Filings terms of service and privacy policy. Alright, that wraps up our guide on how to form your LLC using Swyft Filings. And as you have seen, it's a fast, straightforward process that takes the stress out of starting your business. So if you're looking for a simple, reliable, and affordable way to form your LLC without the headache, we definitely recommend Swyft Filings. And if you are ready to start your LLC today, Check out the affiliate link in the video description to get started. It helps support the channel at no extra cost to you. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next one.